So the electromagnetic wave spectrum, okay? So this is just giving you a big picture of what everything looks like. All right, so as we have our wave frequencies, okay, our wavelengths, all right, so the bigger we are, the less energy we have, okay? The smaller we are, the more energy we have. So just thinking about how in relativity of what these wavelengths, how, how big or small they are, is just going to be like thinking about size, relative size, okay? So mostly I just want to point out your visible light spectrum again, because out of this whole range, okay, you can only really see this spectrum. All right, so that's not a whole lot in speaking relatively of all the different types of electromagnetic waves there are. Okay, so I believe honeybees can see around your ultraviolet spectrum around here and probably right there and maybe a little bit further, and then something like snakes can see more of your infrared and all your visible light spectrum. So just keep that in mind, that your light spectrum, the amount of light that you can actually visibly see, is only going to be this amount here. You might be able to see a little bit more on either side though. All right, and then, this is just a good picture to give you examples of how each different light is going to look, our visible wave spectrum, okay? This is not going to be something you need to memorize. All right, do you have anything you want to add? All right, guys, so this is where we're stopping today, okay? So this is what you're going to be answering your questions about on your Google Sheets. All right, that's going to be provided inside the link. All right, make sure you follow those up, and please ask any questions. Myself, Dr. Taylor, Miss Bishop, and Mr. Wisdom will be there to help you.
Okay.